Hi everyone, I'm Angal. So, I wanted to share my journey through the Fortray for landing into my dream job. So, starting with me. So, after completing my master's degree in cybersecurity, I joined Fortray's IT training program to start my career in IT. And recently, I attended a few interviews for IT support roles with the support of Fortray, and I'm very happy to share that I secured a job as an IT support engineer in MMICT. So, talking about my experience with Fortray, that training and internship program has been excellent. Yeah, from the very beginning itself, they provided me with the right certifications, practical trainings, and continuous guidance. And every step of the journey, the team was there to support me and make sure that I stayed consistent with my preparation, my hard work, and all. So the Forte was very supportive throughout my journey. And talking about my interview guidance, I received one of the most valuable parts of the program because the mock interviews were very professional and gave me the confidence to answer all the questions in the STAR method, especially, and in structured professional way. Before each real interview, Fortray will also discuss the job description with me in detail. Not only that, that helped me to understand exactly what to focus on, and it played a big role in helping me to succeed into my dream job. So I'm especially grateful for the effort the team put into mentoring me throughout the process. Their support went beyond training. It was about building my confidence and preparing me for the real world challenges. And so overall, I'm very satisfied with Fortray, and I truly appreciate all the help they have given me. So I would strongly recommend Fortray to anyone who is struggling to land into their dream job, to secure their job in IT. Uh, so honestly, their support really make a difference. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.